I'm sure you knew you could weld metal, but did you know you can actually glue metal? That's right. With JB Weld Original Cold Steel, you can actually glue metal. This is an epoxy that has the original cold steel as well as the hardener. Here's how to use it. Now, about 3 years ago, we moved into our new home. We needed to furnish it. So my wife found these attractive bar stools online. She liked them because they're attractive. I liked them for the price. But with our first event, we found why they're so cheap. That's right. The footrest broke. Welds were cheap and quickly needed repair. I didn't have access to a welding machine, and even if I did, I didn't have the skills that are required to do weld. Now, I didn't want to toss the chair because we paid good money for it, and it should have lasted for more than just one event. But I also didn't know of any welding shops, so I did some research, and I found this product that boasts that you can actually glue metal. JB Weld Original Cold Steel claims that you can actually glue metal. Step 1 is prepare your area, make it clean of grease, dirt, and paint. You may want to just rough it up with some sandpaper as well. Now you're going to squeeze equal parts of the cold steel and the hardener onto a disposable surface and mix it thoroughly. I like to hang on old room keys. They come in really handy for mixing epoxies. And you mix it thoroughly until all the black is gray and all the white is gray. Next, you're going to apply it with an appropriate tool. I like to use a popsicle stick or something along those lines. At room temperature, JB Weld sets in about 4 to 6 hours and cures in 15 to 24 hours. Then you're going to check your product to see if you need to reapply another layer. You can also, with proper protection, sand JB Weld. And after JB Weld hardens, you can actually apply a coat of paint to it. JB Weld Original Cold Steel has a tensile strength of up to 5,020 pounds and can withstand temperatures up to 550 degrees. In addition to metal, JB Weld Original Cold Steel also works on wood, PVC, fiberglass, and ceramic tile, as well as concrete. And just like that, a stool that we were going to have to throw away and replace is repaired. Now, it's been about 3 years since we made this repair. So if you were wondering if you can actually glue metal, you actually can with JB Weld Original Cold Steel. And JB Weld also has Clear Weld for those repairs that have to be invisible. Don't believe me? Click on the image now.